In this tutorial, we'll showcase our global search that makes finding recipes and meal plans faster and more intuitive. Global Search works across your entire That Clean Life account, helping you quickly find what you need. From anywhere in your That Clean Life account, click the search field above the top navigation bar. You'll see search results from recipes in our database, your own custom or modified recipes, done-for-you templates, meal plans you've made, and your collections. To get the most out of your search, use specific ingredients or dietary requirements as search terms. Let's say you're wondering what done-for-you programs we have that help with your diabetic clients. You can type in diabetes to see what's available. Or perhaps you're looking for a recipe and can't quite remember the exact name, but you know it has cucumbers and avocado. Type in those ingredients and see what items populate. If you have any of your own resources with these keywords, they will also populate. Click on the category tabs to focus your search results on specific types of content, or use the See All Results option at the bottom of the dropdown. After clicking See All Results, you'll see the sidebar with tag filters on the results page. Click on one or more words in the list to apply the tag as a filter. Click the Clear button near the top right of the Filters sidebar to remove all your filters. Use the arrows above the Clear button to collapse and expand the sidebar to focus on your search results. Use the single arrow beside each category header to collapse each tag category to only see what you need. That Clean Life's global search is designed to save you time and make your workflow more efficient. You no longer need to remember the exact name of items you're trying to locate with our enhanced search function. Log in today to get started. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and updates from That Clean Life.